remain closed. At least to you it will.
Chaos! I'll smash you! Descending blade! Fight me!
Let me give you a makeover! You'll look prettier after this!
How dare you!
Are you ignoring my warning? They're nothing! Don't lose!
Fight those weaklings? Aw, come on. Show me what you got!
Bang!
How dare you! I'll smash you!
Glory be with us.
I have no doubt in my bones. I will cut you down.
Die!
You'll be so much more useful once you're dead.
Fight me!
Don't disappoint me. I'll back you up.
Radiant One, for a miracle.
Fortune is on our side.
I will protect everyone.
I hate boring fights. I'll teach you who's the best! I'll smash you!
It's time to get serious.
Beast of the West.
I'm not afraid. I, Ruel, hereby swear to lead everyone to victory.
Come at me. Only if you think you can defeat me.
I won't just let you do whatever you want. May the light guide us.
I don't fight weaklings.
Foolish.
It's time to get serious. Glory be with us. There's no need to worry now.
I'm ready.
Is on our side.
Scar those in our way with destruction and fear! I'll make you kneel before me.
Obey if you wish
Not
to live.
fear death. Seizing victory is seizing the future.
In a flash.
Come, I'll take your life.
I won't fall.
Will you help? Rookies. I'm not afraid. I wish for a miracle. Are you ignoring my warning?
It's too soon to give up. Ride them back.
Let me escape.
How dare you!
Brace yourself.
With skills like yours, you never stood a chance.
This is it.
Leave it to me.
I'll make you taste despair. Focus.
Trust that! I think it'll end soon. Block me if you can!
Fortune is on our side.
May warm light reach the depths of your heart.
The time has come.
Follow you.
Deal with it.
Die!
Don't disappoint me.
Feel my sword. Focus.
Do this?
Come at me! Only if you think you can defeat me.
Do
Glory
not
be with
interfere.
Obey if you wish to live.
Give all that you have for the glory of Harlan.
I expected this.
Come, I'll take your life. Can you even reach me?
You are unwelcome in my city.
Show me what you got!
Are you ignoring my warning? They're nothing. Don't lose.
I hate boring fights. See how much better I am? Ultimate! Fight me!
I'll make you taste despair. This is it.
Leave it to me.
Well then, I think it's time for a little action.
It's time to get serious.
You ready, partner?
Charge! Full thrust!
Obey if you wish to live. Focus.
Sure!
May the light guide us.
There's no need to worry now.
The children will help.
Fight those weaklings? Aw, come on.
Come, I'll take your life. The time has come.
I'll take care of it.
Die!
I won't just let you do whatever you want.
Glory be with us.
For hope that will shine through the despair.
Feel my sword.
Scar those in our way with destruction and fear.
Obey if you wish
I'll
to
make you
live.
kneel before me.
I don't fight weaklings.
time to get serious. Oh, please. Here it comes.
Fortune is on our side.
Come. I'll take your life.
Trust me. Ha!
Are you ignoring my warning? I'll back you up.
I hate boring fights.
I'll make you taste despair.
I'll smash you!
I'm not afraid. I will protect everyone.
Obey if you wish to live.
I won't fall.
Fortune is on our side.
Don't disappoint me.
Come at me. Only if you teach you. Beat me. Who's the best?
Feel my sword.
Do not fear death. Seizing victory is seizing the future.
Come. I'll take your life.
I'll do this. Glory be with us.
How dare you!
I won't just let you do whatever you want.
Obey if you wish to live and reach me.
I think it'll end soon.
May the light guide us. There's no need to worry now.
Feel my sword. This is it.
Are you ignoring my warning?
I'm not afraid. I, Ruel, hereby swear to lead everyone to victory.
I'll make you taste despair. Focus.
Leave it to me.
Fight those weaklings? Aw, come on.
It's time to get serious.
It's too soon to give up.
Feel my sword.
Scar those in our way with destruction and fear.
Come. The time I'll take your life.
Die!
Glory be with us.
Obey if you wish to live. I'll make you kneel before me.
Don't disappoint me. Will you help?
Here it comes. Fortune is on our side. I wish for a miracle.
I don't fight weaklings. Start now!
Leave it to me.
Show me what you got!